So now let us study what are the advantages of AC over DC. First thing you must know what's meant by AC and what's meant by DC. Okay, AC stands for the alternating current. Okay, we learned this now. So many equations now we derived. So alternating current. Okay, in this alternating current, what happens? It will wave will change shape or change direction here, plus and minus. Okay. Now next we have direct current here, DC. Okay. So direct current, that's it by DC. So DC means given by batteries. Okay, if you see the wave of that or graph of that, okay, always one end is positive and other end is negative, or this end is zero. Okay, so direct current is given by batteries. Okay, and the alternating current is given by the generators, AC generator. Okay, direct current also it's given by generators. Some special generators will give the DC voltage also. Okay, but now let's see the advantages of AC over DC. Okay, first one is it's very cheap. Okay, we can produce alternating current very easily and very cheaply also. The second one is lower transmission losses. Okay, we can send alternating current, we learned now. Okay, power loss we learned now. In transmission lines we learned. If we send the voltage at high voltage, okay, AC voltage at very high voltage, we can send through long distance without loss or wastage. Okay, that's one thing. Now next one you see the third point, that is converted. AC is converted to DC, means the alternating current is converted to direct current with rectifiers. Okay, rectifiers means eliminators we see. Okay, they will change alternating current into direct current. Okay, commonly we have this now. Okay, rectifiers, the name only will be new. Okay, but we use it now. This is a cell phone charger. This is my cell phone charger here. So what happens is I put in the plug point. Okay, so plug point gives you alternating voltage. Okay, and through this cable, USB cable, what we get? We get the direct current here. Okay, so alternating current is changed into the direct current with the help of a rectifier. Actually, it's a rectifier only. It will change the alternating current into direct current. Next one, I have another rectifier also like this way. Okay, you can see here. Okay, this is another way of rectification. Okay, this is another rectifier. It's an adapter. We say multi AC adapter. We can change the voltage here. Okay, you can see. You bring it close by. I don't know whether the camera is focused or not. This will change the voltage. Okay, we can change from 1.5 volt. Okay, the next one we have 3 volt, 4.5 volt, 6, 7.5, okay, 9 and 12. We can change the AC voltage like this way. Okay, usually I use it at 4.5 for my radio. Okay, and the polarity is a plus or minus, and we can change it. Okay, plus sign and minus also we can change it. So this one will change alternating voltage. It's from the plug point here. Okay, we put the plug point. We'll change the alternating current into direct current. The direct current I take it out with help of this start plug. Okay, this I will keep in a radio. So this radio will work with help of this adapter. Okay, or eliminator we can see, or we can say also rectifier. This is the advantage of AC. It's very cheap and we commonly use it. Okay, so next we'll study what are the disadvantages of AC. Okay, let me write down. Next we'll study what are the disadvantages of alternating current. Okay, first one, it cannot be used for charging of batteries, electroplating and electric traction. Okay, that is if you send AC voltage to a battery, okay, we can't charge the battery with help of alternating current. Okay, directly from plug point, if we keep battery, it will damage it only. Okay, we can't charge the battery. Then electroplating. Okay, so electroplating means what? So we keep a vessel. I'll take the chalk here and draw it for you, show you. So imagine we have a vessel here. Okay, a beaker. In this beaker we take, say for example, copper sulfate solution. You must make a spoon coated with copper. So we keep a copper here, a spoon here, and we keep pure copper. Okay, we send direct current there, only then the pure copper will go and coat over the spoon. Okay, subsequent coat gold there. We say gold plating, we say no, covering we say no. So for that, what you do, you keep in gold solution and they pass the current there. Okay, so the pure gold is coated over the iron articles. Okay, for that we use on DC current. We can't use AC current there. Alternating current cannot be used there. Then electric traction. That means what? To move the vehicles and all, we can use only batteries there. Okay, or a DC voltage. We can't use the AC voltage there for electric traction. Okay, next one is traction means it's moving. Okay, for example, nowadays we have the electric cars also now. Okay, electric cars, they have big batteries there. Okay, we have charge the batteries, and helps the battery power only it will run with the help of DC power from the battery. It doesn't use the AC power there. Okay, maybe the circuit will change into AC, but we can't directly use the AC power voltage at time. Okay, next one, second case, that is at high voltages it is more dangerous to work with AC. Okay, so we know that if you take a battery or a cell, if you take, okay, you can just hold in a hand also. Okay, cell doesn't damage as much. Okay, ordinary cells I'm saying, 1.5 volt cell and all. Okay, but you take a plug point. Okay, we know the plug point gives you 220 volts in India. Okay, in US it is 110 volts. So if you touch the plug point, so we get shock. Okay, and when you see the wires and all now, which comes from to a house, okay, or in the roads, they'll be having 11,000 volts or 20,000 volts and all. Okay, we can't touch that itself. Okay, it's very, very dangerous to work with high voltages in AC. Okay, so these are some of the disadvantages of and advantages of AC. That's alternating current. Thank you for watching.